Hi friends! To all HVAC professionals, contractors, installers, and service providers, let's find out together how to calibrate the temperature set point of airHome heat pumps to improve occupants' comfort. Before showing you how to do it, let us remind you that temperature calibration allows you to adjust the set point entered by users by a few degrees when the AC cannot accurately read the temperature surrounding the occupants, due to temperature differences within the room itself. For example, when occupants are located near a sunny window, their spot is hotter than the AC in a darker corner of the room. The AC cannot read the temperature of occupants. Calibration enables you to add or subtract a few degrees from the user's set point. For example, you may lower the set point by 2 degrees Celsius or 4 degrees Fahrenheit in cooling mode, so the air conditioner will systematically shift the set point as you set it. Now let's see how to set calibration on the new generation airHome remote controls. Step 1. Pick up the remote control. It does not matter whether the air conditioner is on or off. Step 2. To make the HVAC servicing menu appear, press and hold the fan speed and on timer buttons simultaneously. While holding them down, briefly press the reset button. Keep pressing until the HVAC service menu appears, identified as 1A. Step 3. Scroll up with the arrow until you reach the 3D menu, referring to cycle operation settings. Press fan speed to select it. Step 4. Now choose E1 to calibrate the cooling set point, or E2 to calibrate the heating set point. Select the calibration level you wish to apply. Step 5. Once you have selected the calibration level, press on off to send the change to the indoor unit. Step 6. To exit from service menu, press up-down swing for 5 seconds. And that's it. Now you know how to calibrate the temperature using the airHome remote control.